Kumusta? How are you, sir? I'm fine. I'm here now at my work. What are you doing, sir? Like coffee? Yeah. Me also, I'm working. I'm here now at the office. So my... How's your channel, sir? Your channel? Do you have a family, sir? Do you have a family? Good afternoon. Happy Sabbath to everyone. Hello, good afternoon. Thank you. Sir, are you Indian or Pakistan? Sorry, I'm asking. Oh, my boss here in the Philippines is India. She came from Mumbai. I forget the address of my boss in India. That is your address. Okay, my boss is I forget I forget his address. My boss is she is now in India because of pandemic. She's not come to the Philippines. I'm here now in the Philippines. My boss is in India. My boss is so nice. He's very kind, and of course he's professional. I don't know what is her exact address, my boss. I forget. I think New Delhi. We have an office there. Thank you, sir, for visiting my live. Even even you are the only one visiting my channel. Never mind, sir. You are busy. It's okay. Don't worry, sir. You can leave. You can leave, sir. Don't worry. Thank you for visiting my channel. Are you monetized, sir? Your channel is monetized? Why, sir? How many months that you are not monetized? Okay. Mm. We have a new update of YouTube. If you are 1 year, you can affect your watch hour. Your 1 year video, the watch hour is affected on your 1 year video. But the other is not affected. Only the watch hour, not a video. If you are 1 year, your video is not affected. Only the watch hour of the video is affected. If you are 1 year, that is not counted. So still decreasing and decreasing. Much better if you have to monetize your channel. Watch hour is very hard to gain because that is 4,000 watch hour. If your video is not trending, oh, hard to gain the WH. But the subscriber is not hard to gain because that is only 1,000. What? 500 WH? Oh my God. So, how can I help you? I have a boosting, service boosting, if you want. But that is not free because I'm using, you know, but that is very cheap. WH, 4K WH is only in the Philippine peso is 2-3, I think, 2-3. I don't know in India what is the yes sir. Your video is not affected, but your WH in your 1 year video is affected. So the new update of YouTube, you have to monetize in 1 year. You have to monetize. So if you are not monetized, your WH is decreasing, but the video is not affected. The WH on your video is the only affected, not the video. Don't worry about the video. Only the WH is affected. That is the new update of YouTube. Open yung kulop. Hello. Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you. I'm very appreciated, sir. I know. I know it. Thank you, sir, for your support. I know that you are always there to support me. Every time I upload, you are the one, the top one fan of my uploading video. Thank you very much. Actually, one of my viewers in YouTube came from India. India and US. US. I have so many fans also and in India. But here in my country, I don't know. Because I can see it in my viewers in my YouTube studio. So one of my supporters came from India and US. Not here in my country. I don't know what kind of people here in the Philippines not supporting small YouTubers like me. Oh, vegetarian of course. You are Muslim? Uh, Frankly speaking, I'm not Catholic. I am Seventh-day Adventist. I'm not eating pork, but my family, inside of my family is I am the only one Seventh-day Adventist. That's why I'm cooking pork, but not I'm not eating. That is only for YouTube purpose, uploading the video. But I'm not eating or even this. Hello, Hendo. Okay, okay. Hello, sir. You can connect to Ma'am Igorot Oma. Welcome, Ma'am Igorot Oma. Good afternoon. How are you? How are you, ma'am? Thank you for visiting my channel.